Today we are writing a simple program to calculate the area and perimeter of a right angle triangle using two legs entered, inputted through the keyboards. So the first thing is that we import the mathematics module. So after importing the mathematics module, we are going to use input functions to get in the two variable, the two value, that is side 1 and side the side 2. So we have to convert the string back to float number, real number, by using floats. So after the conversion of the float number, the next thing to be done is to find the hypotenuse by the Pythagoras theorem, by using Pythagoras theorem. So the sum of the square of the two sides is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. So we are going to use square root functions in that of the mathematics module that we have imported. So let me write the expression out. The expression has been written to find the hypotenuse side, then now to find the area, and now to find the parameter expression. So parameter is just like adding three sides of the triangle. Now we can print our result out of the screen. Let's print our result, the area of the triangle, and at the same time the perimeter. So it has been done. Let's try to run our program and see what is going to be our results. So if the first side is 4, the second side is, if the first side is 5, the second side is 4, the perimeter is going to be 15.4, while the area is going to be 10. Thanks.